In this video, I'm going to show you how to create 2 different virtual cloud on Amazon Web Services, and then how to connect 2 instances between different virtual cloud. First thing you need to do is you need to get an account. You need a credit card to have an account. And after you have an account, you log into the EC2 console, and then you click Launch Instance to create your first instance. The image we are going to use is Amazon Web Services 14.04, this one. And then we'll use the free tier. After you click, this automatically selected, so then you can click Review and Launch. Okay, Launch, and he will let you choose your key pair. You need to create your own key pair, but I already have one, so I'm not going to launch this instance because everyone have only 2 free instances, and I already ran out of them. So after you create your first instances, you can go to the VPC console, which I'm already opened here. You will have your default. You will have one default VPC. This is your virtual cloud. So the default VPC will have let's see. It will have attached internet gateway and a public address. Let me see. Okay, oh, never mind. After that, you need to create a non-default VPC. You can create something, and then you need to create a subnet 16 Tennessee. Okay, then yes, create. You will have a non-default VPC. To enable this VPC to connect it to the internet, you need an internet gateway, which you need to create an internet gateway. And right click and attach to VPC. I'm going to delete it because I'm not going to use it. Yes, delete. Okay, and a non-default VPC does not have any public IP address, so you need to allocate new IP address. Yes, allocate. Then this IP address you can assign it to an instance in your non-default VPC. I'm going to delete it. Delete, release. Okay. Next, what you're going to do is you need to create another instances in the non-default VPC. Again, you select the Ubuntu free tier, but this time you need to configure it. And network, you choose your non-default VPC. Subnet, yeah, and auto subnet IP, blah blah blah. And then you can review and launch. I'm not going to launch it. So after you've create these instances, you go to the instance dashboard, and then you can I think it's this one, network. Oh no, and then you go to the VPC virtual cloud management, and you associate this address with the non-default with the instances in the non-default VPC you just created. And after this is done, your new instances will be able to connect it to the internet. But what you're going to do is you go to the route tables, and then you need to let me see this one. modify the route table of your non-default VPC and add this line, which means you need to add all the non-local traffic. You need to route all the non-local package to the internet gateway and save. And then you need to configure the security group. Let me see. You go to EC2 Management Console, click on the security group. Security group, right? Here in VPC, you create a new security group, or you can use the existing security group, which you need to enable at least an SSH inbound traffic, so that you can connect to your instance. So after this is done, you need to connect to your instance. At first, you need to went through the, let's see, connect. You need to go through the connection document, whatever you're using, Linux, Windows, to set up your environment. Install the, I don't know, something, Amazon CLI, yeah. And then you need to modify the viewable, I don't know how to describe this in English. So you need to chmod and then 400 to your public key. And after that is done, you can SSH to your console like this. Make sure you have the public key in your directory, so you can SSH to your console, not console, instances. Okay, and then in these instances, because I don't have any public key here, a private key here, so I'm not able to log into another instances from these instances. So I need to log out, and then I'm going to upload my private key to my instance. Okay, and then I log into it. You can see my private key here, so I can SSH to my another instances. Oh, the username is always Ubuntu at either the public IP or the public DNS. Okay. So now I'm in another instances. Okay. So that's it. That's how you should create 2 different instances in different clouds and make sure they can connect it to internet. Basically, what you are doing is to create a virtual cloud and then create a internet gateway and assign the internet gateway to that non-default virtual cloud. And then you need to allocate one elastic IP, where is it? And then you need to create one instance, and inside the non-default virtual cloud, you assign the public IP address to the instances, and then you configure the routing table to make sure that all the public traffic will be routed to the internet gateway. And then your instances in the non-public cloud will be able to connect to the outside world. That's it.